Hey guys, welcome to the Manoeuvre Education. So today in this particular video, we'll talk about MH Law CET 5 years 2022 cap round. I know guys, preference list you have to make. Okay, so let's talk about the expected cutoffs with respect to all the colleges. Okay, do watch this particular video till the end, and if you have any particular doubts in your mind, then ask me in the below comment section, guys. Before moving further, guys, if you want a preparation for all the law entrance exams such as MS Law CET, CLAT, SLAT, BHU Law, LSAT, and MS LAT, and etc., then you will get preparation for same. You will get the mentorship, complete motivation, thoroughly community fix, and complete guidance about the cap round program. So wanna target all these institutes, then call on respective numbers. You can join our classroom sessions at Mumbai, book your seat at Borivali, Vasai and the other center, and pan India students, you can interact live with us. So call on 8828581454, or you can visit our website manoeuvreducation.com/law entrance. So let's talk about the cutoff for the top colleges for MH Law CT 5 years. Okay, expected college and the cutoff. Guys, these handouts I will provide the link in the description. Kindly go to the link and you will get this PDF form. Okay, now otherwise you can take the screenshot of these all colleges. First one, you have to target the government law college. Okay, two institutes are there, GLC government one and the self finance one. Okay, so you can target if you have scored 1042 111, okay, for Maharashtra state and also for the other than Maharashtra state. Okay, 180 seats and 60 seats respectively. So these all are the cutoff. ILS 103 to 110, SVKM Praveen Gandhi 102 to 108, 120 seats. These all are the seat intakes and the respective cutoff. Okay guys, so these are not the exact cutoff, but instead these are the expected cutoff. So cutoff might be changed, हो सकता है guys, it depends upon the preferences. Okay, student क्या prefer करता है. 122 जिसे मिला है, either he is opting for GLC or is going for ILS or the Praveen Gandhi, क्या पता वो दूर जाना नहीं चाहता है. Okay, or might be he is from Nashik region. Okay, so wanna target the Pune one or the Mumbai one, depends upon the preferences. Okay, so these are the expected cutoff. You can refer these all. Okay, so make your preference list accordingly. University of Mumbai Law Academy. Okay, Mumbai 100, 106 and Thane sub campus, then it is 97 to 104. So these are the respective cutoffs. Marathwada Mitra Mandal Shankarrao Chauhan College 96 to 103, Thakur Ram Narayan 89 to 96, Lords 89 95, Vivekananda Education Societies 86 94, SNDT 86 to 94, Jayantilal H Patel 85 to 92. Okay, so these are all the respective cutoffs. Moving further, MKS College of Law 85 to 90, Mahatma Gandhi Mission Law College 84 to 90, Sinhagad Law College Pune 83 90, Manichand Pahade Law College Aurangabad 80 to 87, GE Society NB Thakur Law College Nashik. Okay, from the one more, Sharda Education Society's Anand Vishwa Gurukul College of Law. काफी अच्छा कॉलेज गाइस, 62 to 68. ओके, गोखले एजुकेशन सोसाइटीज नवी मुंबई 60 to 68. सेम रीजन में आप ट्राई कर सकते हो. ओके, ऑल दोस कैंडिडेट हु स्कोर्ड 60 to 80 मार्क्स, एंड गाइस बहुत अच्छे अच्छे कॉलेजेस है आपके लिए. यू कैन टारगेट ऑल दिस कॉलेज. ओके, अंडर 60 MS लॉ कॉलेज, विवा कॉलेज, कर्मवीर औदुंबर पाटिल, नथमल गोयंका, आइडियल, MS राजश्री शाहू. यू कैन टारगेट ऑल these colleges. Okay, St. Wilford's is there, 50 score, 49 to 57, Punjab Rao Deshmukh 46 to 53, and these all are the respective colleges. So there are 130 colleges. Okay, government, self finance, minority colleges, all the college list I provided here. Okay, so watch this particular video till the end. Okay, complete list go through kar lo guys, and then after make your preferences list accordingly. You are lying between these all scores or the 40 up, 50 up, above 60, 70 up, 80 up, in between 90s, or 100 up, or 110. Okay, for Maharashtra state and also for the other than Maharashtra state. Okay guys, so that's it from my side. If you have any doubts and queries in your mind, then ask me in below comment section. And yeah, subscribe our YouTube channel to get the latest updates with respect to cap round and also with respect to all the law entrance exams. So that's all from my side guys. If you want a preparation, then you can join us at Borivali, Vasai, and Dadar. And yeah, for all exam updates and notifications, follow our social media handles such as YouTube, Facebook, Insta, and you can also join our Telegram group. That's all. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.